Welcome back, YouTube gang. Today I have another sneaker custom for you guys. To do it yourself, I also sell this sneaker custom. I will put the link down below. Make sure you like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit that notification button. I am Byshaad. This is my channel Byshaad. So welcome to all the new viewers and my subscribers, everyone. So today we will be working with, if you can see this, it's the lightning strike. Everyone's seen the lightning strike reflective vendors, but this is a special vendor. It doesn't look like the regular reflective vendor. This is the rainbow 3M reflective vendor. I'll be doing this custom Air Force One shoe for one of my customers, and I'm going to show y'all how I make that happen. So let's get right into this video. I will be doing this custom on some all white Air Force Ones. I think it's what, 07 version. Can't get better than this. The shoe is wonders, just plain out the factory like this. But I'm gonna touch it up some and give it a little heat, spice it up some. So let's get into this video. All right, so let's get right into this video. Got the shoes that I need, the kicks, got the vendor. I create these vendors. Eventually I will upload the vendors I make and post them on my website. But you can get this, I think you can get these on Etsy, Amazon. If you search up rainbow reflective vendor, they have different ones. But I make these myself. If you have the proper equipment to make these, you know, go ahead and get you some vendor, some reflective vendor, rainbow. And quick tip on these: when you use this, the transfer paper that's over this is only for the transfer tape that's over this. Sorry, I was trying to thought my camera was messing up some. But the transfer tape that's over this is used for t-shirts. So I have this white heat transfer vendor that will go good with my little iron. This is also what you need, your little heat device, and my little pointy object, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, let's get right into this video. It's gonna be a little. So there you have it. Where's it go? Got two lightning strikes, lightning bolts, whatever you want to call them. And I'm going to work on the right shoe first. It's going to look just like this on the shoe. So again, if you place this on the shoe, the one it comes with, and you put your iron on the shoe, it will mess up the shoe and mess up the vendor, because this is not the proper transfer tape you need. You need the clear sheet. It's sticky. Alright, so I'm going to pull this lightning strike up, lightning bolt. I'm going to pull it up from this transfer. Be careful, because you will tear it if you pull too hard or too fast. So alright, and then you have to place the reflective side, which is the side that is shiny. This side, you have to place You don't place this side down first. You have to place this side if you can see the difference. This looks more of a dull, the dull color. So I'm going to place this down, stick it down. Just take your time with this. It's not a rush. You always can pull it up if it's not laying down flat or it doesn't look the same. Alright, so there we go. We have that down. And I'm going to shine some light on it to see if it will reflect. Because the sticky side, you're going to place on the shoe, the stick on the shoe. And then you're going to heat on this side that's not sticky. So let's see if we can get it to. Let's see if y'all can see it. I can see it, but there we go. Alright, you see it? The different colors. It's like green, purple, blue, little pink. Pretty dope. So this is the side that you need on the sticky. Alright, so then you will place it on the shoe however you desire. I like to place this little end close to the end of the Nike sign. Try to get this there so it will be on the shoe. Like that. Then you get your iron, your little teeny baby iron, and you start going over the shoe. Alright, and then you're going to repeat the process. With this, I'm going to go ahead and knock this one out real fast. Show y'all the final product of this custom shoe. So, there y'all go. It's a quick do-it-yourself, easy, fast, dope custom that you can add to your Air Force Ones. You can do, I do all black as well. I will put my website down below if y'all want to purchase these, that I do these customs for all my customers, anyone who purchased. These are by far probably my favorite Vindle reflective custom that I do. I do a lot of them. So yeah, thank y'all for tuning into this video today. Make sure y'all like this video, comment down below what y'all think about these, and if y'all will cop. Also, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification button.